Dolphins. Attend the players.
Good morning, USA. I got a feeling that it's gonna be a wonderful day.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I love today. Pepper chicken, corn, mashed potatoes.
Okay, so right there he said mashed potatoes.
Hamburger, cheeseburger, chicken burger. Oh, guys.
That one was pretty messed up. That was oven fries.
My little days.
Believe it or not, he said bagel with cream cheese.
Cereals, red fingers. Look, crocodile monster.
You may have heard croc, crocodile monster, but he meant to say chocolate muffin.
Go little Rangers. Little Rollers.
I realize you heard use muselas, but that was assorted sandwiches.
Next food stops. French.
I did hear foaming at the chill French house, but that was actually 100% fruit juice.
Fresh fruit, carrots, some chips, some banana salad. Dude. Have a look at the birthdays.
Okay, so he really mispronounced these, so I'm just going to do them first. Today we say happy birthday to Evelyn from Mrs. Winter's class and Demi from Mrs. Bonarigo's class. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Mr. Bob, I know that we love to see extra recess and lunchtime. I feel like I'm always rushed at lunch, and I speak for all 5th graders. What do you think of that, and would you allow for a vote for an extra 10 minutes for each?
So an extra 10 minutes for each, that means that we're adding 20 minutes onto the day. So I would have to go back to the principals to really discuss schedules, right? And we do that on an annual basis. We do look at schedules to try to maximize instructional time and also provide unstructured time like lunch and recess. But I can certainly talk to them, and I will. I'll talk to them about that and see what we can do.
Thank you for that. I'm going into the 6th grade next year, and I know it's a transition year because it's the start of middle school, and it will be challenging in terms of it being a different school with different teachers. I can actually say that my 4th grade ELA class is thriving. We had Miss Fahey, who is just phenomenal, and even more so now in 5th grade with Miss Fiorello. Our teachers here at Defino are phenomenal. I'll never forget my kindergarten teacher, Miss Winter, and Miss DiVirgilio, who I was lucky to have both in 1st and 2nd grade, and Miss Shrew in 3rd. Our great art teacher, Mr. D, will be so missed. It's not even funny. Did you see his artwork in the lunchroom? It's astonishing. With how amazing things are here at Defino, how can we keep what we have here as students and still have that at the middle school? We will be without this amazing Defino staff, not to mention Miss K, Dr. Stradek, our officers that keep us safe, and everyone else.
That's a really good question. So could you absolutely duplicate what you have here up at the middle school? I would say no, right? Everybody's different. However, we do have the staff that we hired here for Defino went through the same process that the staff at our other schools went through. So Defino goes to Memorial, right? So you'll be going up to Memorial Middle School. The staff there, I think you'll find, while different and new, you're going to find that they are just as caring, just as much fun. You'll learn a lot from them and from other students who actually join you at that school. But the nice part about that is you'll have a core group of students that you know here will be moving up to that middle school with you. So trust me when I say you will be safe, you will have fun, and while it's a larger school, right, I think what you'll find is as you grow and you get older, you'll know that you have the same amount of safety, security, and fun that you've actually had here at Defino. It just might be on a larger scale.
Thank you. Mr. Bone, truly thank you so much for this interview, and I'm glad that we got to meet and talk. I hope we meet again. Happy Halloween to Mr.
Happy Halloween, and thank you so much for having me.
Welcome. Thank you everyone for watching. Back to you.
Fish out of